Standard 7th Geography, Lesson Agriculture, Questions and Answers. Fill in the blanks. Agriculture has a wide scope. Number 2. In order to achieve the best growth of fish, scientific methods are employed. Number 3. Nurseries give good return. Number 4. Silk thread is obtained from the cocoon of the silk moth. Select the proper option for the following statements. The options are already given in the textbook, so here I have only given you the right option. Question 1. In which of the following type of farming are the crops rotated? Answer: intensive farming. Number 2. Agriculture requires the following. Answer: use of animals, implements, machines and manpower. Number 3. In India, agriculture has developed because. Answer: traditional agriculture is practiced in India. Number 4. It is necessary that modern methods and technology be used in agriculture in India because. Answer: modern means and machines are available. Give short answers. Question: describe the importance of irrigation for agriculture. Answer: point number 1. Irrigation means the process of supplying of water through artificial means such as pipes, canals, sprinklers, etc. Point number 2. Irrigation helps the farmers to be less dependent on rain water for the purpose of agriculture. Question: give a comparative account of any two methods of irrigation. So here it is intensive farming and shifting cultivation. You have to compare both. Answer: you can see the points over here. In intensive farming 3 points are given, and in comparison you have 3 points in shifting cultivation. So I will read 1 point of intensive and 1 point of shifting. Intensive farming is carried out in one and the same farm for years together. In shifting cultivation, every year a new era is chosen, a crop is chosen for cultivation. Here ERA is not ERA, it is CROP. A new crop is chosen for cultivation. Next point, in intensive, this type of farming is mostly seen in the developing regions. Shifting cultivation, point number 2. This type of cultivation is practiced in the tropics, in densely forested areas or hilly tracts. Number 3. The cultivator and his family totally are dependent on farming. Farm production is sufficient only for the requirement of the family. In shifting cultivation, point number 3. The production obtained is not sufficient, so people undertake hunting, fishing and gathering of bulbs and roots from forests. So students, when you will write the points, see that the point should be written in front of each other. Like point number 1 of intensive, point number 1 of shifting. It should be in front of each other. It should not be one below the other. Next question. Describe the characteristics of plantation farming. Answer: in points. So these are the points. Plantation farming is a type of commercial farming. Farm size is 40 hectares or above. As plantation agriculture is practiced in hilly tracts of tropical regions, use of machines are not possible, only manpower is used. There is a single crop cultivation practice. Only commercial crops like tea, rubber, coffee, coconut, coca, spices, etc. are planted. This type of farming requires large-scale capital investments. Capital here means money. It requires a lot of money. Major issues faced are climate, manpower, deterioration of environment, economic and managerial problems. It is practiced in India and South Asian countries, Africa, South and Central America. Which are the crops cultivated in your area? What are the geographical reasons for that? Answer: in points again. I live in Maharashtra. The main food crop of Maharashtra are mangoes, bananas, oranges, wheat, rice, jawar, bajra, and pulses. Cash crops like groundnut, cotton, sugarcane, turmeric, and tobacco are also grown. Sugarcane means oos, cotton, kapus, groundnut means shingdana, turmeric, haldi, and tobacco, tamaku. Geographical reason for this is the state has an area of 12 to 90 lakh hectares under various fruit crops like mango, banana, orange, grapes, cashew nuts, etc. Cashew nuts here means kaju. Why is the agriculture in India seasonal in nature? What are the difficulties for perennial agriculture? In India, why the agriculture is seasonal? Seasonal means there are different seasons in India. So it depends upon the seasons which crops will grow. So, and what are the difficulties for perennial? Perennial meaning is throughout the year. So answer is agriculture is the main occupation of the people in India. India has 3 seasons: summer, winter, and rain. The major crops grown in India can be divided into kharif crops, rabi crops, cash crops, and planted crops. According to the seasons, kharif crops is the monsoon crop of India. Such crops are sown with beginning of first rains during southwest monsoon season. Example: rice, jawar, cotton, soybean, sugarcane, groundnuts, etc. It is etc. Rabi crop is the winter crop in India. Such crops are sown in end of October and harvested in March. Example: wheat, barley, mustard, sesame, peas, etc. Mention the major types of farming and give information about intensive farming and extensive farming. So first let us see, the answer will be types of farming are, write in the same way how it is printed over here: subsistence farming and commercial farming. These are the two main. What will come in subsistence farming? Intensive farming and shifting cultivation. What will come in commercial farming? Extensive green farming, plantation farming, market gardening, and horticulture. Now write the answer of intensive farming in detail. Points are: intensive farming is a type of traditional farming. It is carried out in one and the same farm for years together. Getting maximum production from a minimum area is the characteristic of intensive farming. This type of farming is mostly seen in developing regions. The cultivator and his family are totally dependent on farming. As farm production is low, the economic condition of the cultivator is also poor. Animated energy is used. Besides the cereal, vegetables are also grown to some extent. Extensive farming. Extensive farming is a type of commercial farming. Farm size is greater than 200 hectares. Helicopters or planes are used for spraying pesticides. Monocrop cultivation is the main characteristics. Crops like wheat, corn, barley, oats, soybean are cultivated. Heavy capital investment is necessary. Droughts, attack by pests, locusts attack, market fluctuations, etc. are the problems in extensive grain farming. This type of farming is carried out in the temperate grassland regions. Give geographical reasons. Question: marketing systems are necessary. Answer: marketing systems are necessary for making the goods produced by the farmers available to the consumer at a price and in time, at a low price and in time. Poultry occupation is generally located in big cities. Answer: running a poultry on commercial basis requires a lot of care. For this, scientific methods are used in areas in big cities, provide a ready market for this occupation. I will repeat this. For this, scientific methods are used. Areas in big cities provide a ready market for this occupation. Answer in one sentence. Name the fish reared in fish farming or fish farms. Answer: Worm, Roha, Ravas, columbi are reared in fish farms. Which are the two types in traditional farming? Answer: intensive farming and shifting cultivation are the two types in traditional farming. Next question: what is a subtype of market gardening? Answer: cultivation of crops cultivation of flowers and fruits is a subtype of market gardening. Thank you.